Well, today's Friday. It's what is it? It's June 13th. We're about to go pick up Austin. He's flying in from Arizona. He is going to take home the GT350, our 6th giveaway. We've got Noah on the camera, and let's get to IA. Let's get to the airport. So we're exiting here at JFK. About to pick up Austin. I don't know if, it's 10:57. He should have already texted me, but we haven't heard anything from him yet. We'll have to ask him, but I think he said either on the live stream or he texted me that this is like his dream car. This is his first sweepstakes at all he's ever participated in, and it just so happened to take home the bag. Awesome. We're super excited to meet you. We're very excited for you, and it's always cool whenever we hear stories like this where where it's like it's your dream car, and and here it is. It's time.
This is Austin.
Hey, Austin, how's it going, man?
What's up, man?
Hey, have you landed yet?
We just barely landed.
Awesome. Okay, just walked out of Terminal E to the passenger pickup zone between zones 1B and 1C. Austin, we are coming to grab you. Let's see. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Yes, we are. We're for real. How are you? Hey, you bet. Awesome. Well, let's get y'all loaded up. How was y'all's flight?
It was good. Yeah, it was good.
I always know.
Busy. I can't believe how many people fly that early in the morning.
Yeah, I know. You basically took a red eye. I mean, and those 6 a.m. flights are no joke, because that puts you up like getting up at like 2 or 3 a.m.
Yeah.
It's like at some points like why even sleep?
Yeah,
like,
almost.
I'm assuming like part of you thinks it's a scam until you see us,
Well,
huh?
I didn't. Otherwise, I wouldn't have participated.
Right.
But then, like, when you start talking to people, they're straight up just like,
Yeah.
So
I don't think there's no way
and
they're
I'm
giving
like,
away a
the
car.
skepticism starts to like bleed into you.
Yep.
Even though you try not let it.
Yeah.
So yeah.
And now, correct me if I'm wrong. So you said that you've never entered a sweepstakes before, huh?
Correct.
And this car was like you've had your eyes on this car, like a GT350.
Yeah. I've been saving for it. Just started saving this year. I was originally gonna go like a upgrade path.
You didn't even tell me he was doing it.
Yeah, I didn't tell her I was doing it at all.
Until like it was almost here.
I remember going on the live stream, and I remember you not answering. I was like, oh well, this will be the first one where we don't get an answer. And then I was just gonna move on from it, and then I saw you commenting live in the live stream, like, no, wait, like I have him here, like he were like, and then you hopped on, which was crazy. How long have you had the? You said it was a Mach 1.
Yeah.
How long have you had that?
I bought it in 17.
You've had it for some time.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, I had it for a while, and it's my weekend car, so we drive the Route 66 often.
No kidding. Well, I guess,
yeah,
you're in Arizona,
yeah,
right?
in Arizona, so we'll drive Route 66 for a good leg. It's like a nice long day of driving. Yeah, when I was mapping the drive back, I'm like, bro, it's gonna take me 10 hours to leave the state.
Yep.
Well, that's crazy. That almost gets me to like a second state. Or a
I'm
third
really
state.
glad you're driving it back though, because so whenever we sourced this car was initially from Nashville, and I drove it back from Nashville.
Yeah.
And it was such a blast driving that car
awesome.
back. It's such a fun car. Have you ever driven a GT350 before?
No,
So,
there's only a few for sale, and I've been wanting to go to
Yep.
like dealerships to test drive.
whenever we select vehicles, I kind of just look at it from the intent of like, all right, is this something I drive? Is this something I'd like to be seen in, I'd like to experience in? I've heard a lot of good things about the GT350, but I've never driven one either. Totally exceeded my expectations. Totally. I thought it was just going to be another Mustang, because I don't know, every 16-year-old kid crashes them, and I thought it was just going to be a mess. And I do see why kids crash that car in particular. It's really like a track car. It almost has a square setup, and with that being a higher revving V8, a lot of the power is in the mid to upper range. So if you try to like whip it out, you don't have much power, and then all of a sudden, once you get past 4,000, all the power kicks on, and you don't know how to control that.
Danger zone, yep.
Exactly. And I don't know. I definitely see how kids, they think that they can slide a GT350, and it's like,
Right.
no, it's not that. That's not what that car's made for.
Nope.
But it sounds incredible. It's probably the best 6-speed I've ever driven, and it rides very well for what it is. I was telling Noah whenever you were like, yeah, can I come this Friday? Like right after we hung up.
Sorry about that.
Well, it was like outside of like the plans not working out, I instantly got sad. I was just like, oh my God, I've got to let go of the Mustang. Like, and this is not our first one. This is our 6th car, so it's like it's nothing new to me.
Right.
But I don't know. I didn't realize how much I really had come to like that car until you were like, I can come this Friday, and so I think you're gonna love it. All right, sir, are you ready? Let's go.
All right.
Let's go. All right, Austin, here she is.
My God. Oh my gosh.
Is it more real now?
Oh my God.
Just a touch more real, right? Want to start her up? It's got the track pack, so it's got the Recaro seats. It's also got the Cobra floor mats.
Oh my gosh.
So something that I didn't know that's really cool about this is it has an active exhaust. And you just go over here to mode, and if you hit sport,
Oh.
I know, right?
Oh my gosh.
Small downside, you get 13 miles a gallon.
That's fine. That's fine. That's not a downside with this.
Give her a rev.
Oh my gosh.
It's
dude.
all factory, dude. You get backfires from factory. It's nuts, man.
I can't believe this. I can't believe this. I can't believe this. This is like a freaking dream.
It's kind of hard to believe, isn't it?
It's very hard to believe.
And something I'm sure as you get on the road, you'll see whenever you get up into those glorious higher RPMs. The track pad, what also comes with is you've got lights right here. They're shifting lights. So as you get closer to 8,000 RPMs, those lights will come together. And it's, oh my God, it's such an incredible thing.
Oh my gosh, dude. Like, this is unreal. This is like unreal. This is unreal.
Well, I'm here to tell you, it's very real and it's very much yours.
It's so real.
Congratulations, man.
Oh my gosh. Guys, I'm speechless. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. Like, I am absolutely, I don't know what to say. Yeah, this is it. This is the car. Like, this was it. Oh my gosh. Let's make sure the other side's there because so far.
Right?
Yep. Still there. Still very red. Oh my gosh. 4 wheels.
The front is also PPF'd. So you should be good for the ride home.
Awesome.
I know it's coming towards the end of its life. I think it's the PPF's like 3 or 4 years old. So they recommend every 5 to 6 years to replace it.
Okay.
But you should be good for the ride home.
My heart's going crazy right now. Like, I don't even know what to think. This is crazy. First t-shirts.
And you're taking home a GT350 and $5,000 cash. So what we'll do next is we're gonna get all your paperwork signed.
Okay.
And then we'll come back out here. We'll do a small interview here.
Okay.
And we'll get y'all on the road. I know y'all got some driving to do.
Okay.
Let's see. Print name of the buyer.
I'm freaking out, dude. Like, I'm excited and I'm terrified and I'm nervous. I'd do it again though.
You're gonna take all this to the DMV. This, anything that American Sweepstakes sends you, you're gonna take that as well, just for safe measure, because they're gonna be like, because I'm gonna put $0 on here, so they're gonna be like, where the hell did you get a car for $0? Last but not least, and then that is $5,000 for taxes, fees, all that fun stuff.
Yeah. Wow. Thank you guys so much. Like, this is insane. Like, this is actually insane.
We are super excited for you, and we are over the moon that you were just that you entered for our sweepstakes and you bring home the gold.
Me too. Yeah, I'm glad I did it. It felt silly, and it is not silly.
Well,
wow.
let's get you in front of the car. We're gonna run through some interview questions, and then we'll get you on the road, man.
Okay.
Okay, let's start with your name.
My name is Austin Park.
Where are you from?
I'm from Tolleson, Arizona.
How you feeling right now?
I'm in shock. I'm speechless. I don't even know how to feel.
Did you ever think you'd own a GT350?
Not like this. Not in this way. No, I mean, I hoped one day, but not like this. No way.
Have you been manifesting this win?
100%. 100% manifested it. Yeah.
What have you been doing to manifest it?
I mean, I've thought about nothing else for the past 6 to 8 weeks. My background on my phone was this car. I probably watched your guys' overview video or walk around video once every couple of days. Checked your site all the time to see if there's any new information, your Instagram. I was all over this car from day one.
What did your family and friends say when you won?
When I won, they were supportive and skeptical, but supportive overall. When I first got the ad, when I first saw the ad on Instagram, I was skeptical, but after I looked into everything, I never had a doubt.
How did you feel when you saw us?
I guess relieved, because after you win, then the skepticism kind of pours into you from everyone else, and any validation I could get, I took. Text messages, phone calls, in-person greetings, touching the car.
Do they believe you now?
They will when they hear me.
How long have you been into cars?
Into cars? My whole life. My whole life.
What do you have right now?
I have a 2003 Mach 1, and that's it. A family car and a truck otherwise.
What plans do you have for the car?
Get it home safely is plan number one, and then from there we'll see. This is a big jump from what I'm used to.
Do you plan on keeping it?
Absolutely, 100%.
Did you opt to transport or drive it home?
I'm driving it home.
Now that you're seeing the car here, what are your thoughts about it?
It's beautiful. I mean, I've been looking at mainly red the whole time that I've been looking for this type of car, and in person it's better. In every way, it's just better.
Do you plan on boosting it, keeping it stock, or just kind of keeping it in the garage?
It's gonna be stocked for a while, maybe a Whipple down the road.
How was today overall?
It's been great. It's a pretty good day as far as days go.
What do you have to say to all the skeptics out there?
Just buy a shirt, buy a keychain. I mean, it's totally worth it if it happens. It's totally worth it. It's totally worth it.
Do you have anything to say to anybody back at home, the wife, the mom, anybody like that?
I'll see you guys tomorrow. So yeah, I'll be coming by.
Congratulations again, guys. Drive safe. Oh man, I'm gonna miss that car. Well, Austin just took off. He's now heading west. They're gonna go through San Antonio. They're gonna try to get to El Paso today and get home, I think, back to Arizona in like 2 days. So couldn't have been nicer people. And we don't have any say or any selection in who wins the car, but it is always very cool to see when really nice people like that, they get to take home the car of their dreams. So thank you all everybody for watching this vlog, our official delivery video. This is the first of many, and we are looking to launch TCG7 really soon here. We're really excited about the car, and we thank everybody who's watched this video. If you're participating in our sweepstakes, come to our events. Thank you so much for the love and support, and we look forward to bringing y'all many more sweepstakes and many more events. Take care.